guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a Thai-style beef and basil stir fry. This recipe came out so delicious that I just knew I had to share it with you. I actually recently had some people over and made it for dinner, and they loved it, so I decided to make a video for it. It's packed full of peppers and herbs, and it goes great over rice. It's not very hard to make, and the recipe and ingredients will be in the description box below. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is very thinly slice up your meat. I'm using a flat iron steak here, but really any cut of beef that you'd eat as a steak would work. To the beef, add in a couple cloves of minced garlic and some palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, don't worry, brown sugar works just as well. Pour in the oyster sauce and don't forget to add in black pepper. Mix everything up and let the beef marinate at room temp until you're ready to use it. In the bowl of a mortar and pestle, we're gonna make some sauce for this stir fry. Add in garlic, half of a spicy chili pepper, I'm using a jalapeno, but Thai pepper or serrano would work here too, and some more palm sugar. Pound it together until it forms a chunky paste, and then add in fish sauce and soy sauce and set it to the side. So, on to the herbs. I'm using the other half of the jalapeno that I used for the sauce, some basil, cilantro leaves, the stems of cilantro for flavor and crunch, and some makrut lime leaves. To use them, you just need to pull out the stem and slice them really thinly. Makrut lime leaves are actually also known as kaffir lime leaves and can be found in any Thai grocery store and probably some just like all-purpose Asian grocery stores too. They can be a little bit hard to find. I know you can order them online, but if you get them, if you find them, buy a bunch and then put them in your freezer and they'll last in your freezer for months. That's what I do for mine. For the veggies, I have some julienne red bell pepper, jalapeno, and red onion. If you don't have red onion, shallots, regular onions, or green onions also work well here. Really, whatever you have on hand. Once you have all your veggies prepped and your meat has been marinating, put it in a pan over high heat with a little bit of oil. Honestly, I should have done this in 2 batches, but I was being lazy and overcrowded the pan, so I wasn't really able to get the color I wanted. Learn from my mistakes and don't do that. Stir fry the beef for a couple minutes, hopefully getting some color on it, and then put it in a bowl to the side. Into that very same pan, add a little bit more oil and your veggies. Stir fry them for a couple minutes to get a sear on them and soften them up. Add in your jalapeno rounds, cilantro stems, lime leaves, and some garlic, along with the sauce we made earlier. Add the beef back to the pan and cook everything together, stirring it around until everything is coated in sauce and heated through. Toss in your basil and cilantro and turn off the heat. Honestly, it's kind of hard to make this stir fry look beautiful, but once you see it and you smell it in real life, you'll definitely want to eat it. This stir fry goes great over rice. It's really flavorful and herbaceous. Honestly, usually when I hear stir fry, I think that it's gonna be boring because my parents made stir fry for us so much growing up that in my mind I hate it, but I think this stir fry is changing my mind. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.